gigantic plant monster is attacking United States of America. Sadly, we couldn't identify its name. Anyway, it's killing billions of people and they won't escape from there. And the unknown monster says that it needs one more human soul to become God. If you spot that plant monster, turn off all the electronics, especially computers and televisions. Keep all the doors and windows closed, remain calm, and do not attempt to investigate, so you won't get spotted by that plant monster. Anyways, stay tuned for more updates of this situation. Civil authorities have reported that the gigantic plant monster has killed billions of people and absorbed their souls. I have absolutely every human soul ever in this country, and now, guess who's the last victim? It's you. Yes, you. You're next for your soul to be absorbed. So that means your life has become